Hello all, this is Tamachuri, Assistant Professor in the Department of Computer Science and Design. So shopping is just a click away. Nowadays we can order anything using the online platforms like Amazon, Flipkart, and where the product details, customer information and payment details are stored and retrieved without any error. Have you ever imagined how this work done behind the screen? So the answer is DBMS. So my students from second year IT going to explain the e-commerce topic, how the DBMS concept is used in e-commerce. They are very eager to share their ideas. Let's listen their ideas. Start.
Introduction. In e-commerce platforms, it stores a huge amount of data. It includes the data like customer details, customer name, customer ID, product information, product ID, product name, order records, order ID, order name, and order status, payment details, the method of payment. For this purpose, whole system uses the manual and spreadsheet. It may cause the many problems in manual systems. Data duplication occurs frequently due to high chances of human errors, difficult to track orders and payments, and it is not suitable for large transactions. Now let's discuss about the need for DBMS. DBMS database management system is used to store the large e-commerce data efficiently, to provide the fast data access, to ensure the data accuracy and integrity, and to improve the data security. Next one. The objectives of the system. So it's used to store the e-commerce data safely, and this DBMS concept is used to save time for admins and sellers and to track the orders and payment efficiently to improve the data accuracy. Database design. Database design using primary and foreign keys. This database is designed for an e-commerce online shopping system. The main purpose of a database design is to store customer, order, product details in an organized and connected way. What is primary key? A primary key is uniquely identifies each record in a table. Example: product ID, order ID, customer ID. Primary key has no duplicate records. What is foreign key? Foreign key refers primary key in another table. It corrects relationship between tables and maintain data integrity. First, product table. Product tables store product details like product ID. Product ID is a primary key. Name, price, stock, description. Customer table. Customer table stores customer details, name, email, address, phone number. Order table. Order table stores order information. Uh, it contains order ID, customer ID. Customer ID is a foreign key because they already exist in customer table. Customer items table. Customer item table stores product inside each order. It connects product ID and order ID. Payment table. Payment table stores payment details like payment mode, payment status, amount, total amount always. Relationship between this system. One customer can place any order. One order can contain many products. Now I am going to explain about the query for creating tables. For creating customer table, we are using create table query, and inside the customer ID, name, email, and address are the attributes. Customer ID is declared as a primary key, and name is data type is varchar, and email also varchar, and address also varchar. Right. Next, product table. For product table, the attributes are product ID, product name, price, and stock. Here, price data type is decimal and stock data type is int, and product ID is a primary key. And order table. In order table, the order ID is declared as primary key, and customer ID is data type is int, and order status is varchar. Total amount in decimal, and
and foreign key is foreign keys refers to the customer ID from the customer table. Next, order item table. In order item table, order item ID is the primary key and order ID is a data type is int, product ID data type is int, and quantity data type is int. Here foreign key is order ID. It refers the order ID from the order table, and also the product ID is also a foreign key from the product table. Next, payment table. Here payment table attributes is payment ID, order ID, payment mode and payment status. Payment ID is a primary key and the order ID is a foreign key. We are going to insert the values to the customer table. Customer ID, name, email and address. Inserting values to the order table, order ID, customer ID, address and email. Next, inserting values to the order item table, order item ID and order ID, product ID and quantity.
Now we going to read the table customer. Select is the query to read the customer table. Now in the customer table, we need the customer name and order ID, orders total from customer. Here we use the join keyword to join the customer table and the order table. Next, we use the update, delete and order here. We going to update the order status and order ID is 405. Order status we going to update. Select order ID, order status. Where customer ID 205. Now we going to use delete for delete the information. We going to update the order status. Order ID 405 as delivered. Here order status 405 is delivered and at last we going to delete the record 202.
Now I am going to explain the ER diagram of e-commerce database system. First of all, ER diagram represents how the data is structured and how different entities are connected in an online shopping system. In this ER diagram, the 5 main entities are customer, order items, payment, product. First of all, customer. In this, customer ID is the primary key which uniquely identifies a customer. In the relationship between customer and order is one to many. A customer can place many orders. In this order entity, order ID is a primary key which uniquely identifies the order, and customer ID is a foreign key which refers to order. Order item is a linking entity which connects order and product, and one order has one payment, so the relationship between order and payment is 1 to 1. So one order has many products and one product may have many orders. So the relationship between order and payment is many to many.
Conclusion: DBMS improves e-commerce data management, reduces manual work and errors, ensures data accuracy and integrity, enables efficient order and payment tracking, provides a scalable and reliable system. Thank you.
Thank you, students. We explained the e-commerce, how the MBBS is used in the e-commerce detail in a simple way. Thank you for sharing your ideas. Thank you.